Have you ever wondered about the most incredible landscapes in Europe? Europe, a continent of diverse landscapes, is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered. With every corner telling a unique story, it is a melting pot of culture, history, and breathtaking views. Let's embark on an unforgettable journey through 5 of its most inspiring countries: Italy, Norway, Ireland, Greece, and Switzerland, each offering a different perspective of Europe's enchanting beauty. So, hold tight as we embark on a scenic journey through Europe. First stop, Italy, a country that seamlessly blends history with natural beauty. Imagine yourself strolling through the rolling hills of Tuscany, where vineyards stretch as far as the eye can see and medieval towns perch on hilltops. Each twist and turn of the path reveals a new breathtaking vista. Now let's transport you to Venice, the city of love. Picture gondolas gliding through serene waterways, winding between centuries-old buildings that seem to float on water. It's a place where romance and history live in every cobblestone and canal. Finally, envision the rugged coastline of Amalfi. Here, pastel-colored houses cling to the cliffs above the sparkling Mediterranean Sea, creating a stunning contrast of man-made beauty against the raw power of nature. Italy's landscapes are as diverse as they are captivating, from its sun-drenched vineyards to its ancient ruins. From its vineyards to its ancient ruins, Italy never ceases to amaze. Next, we move to Norway, a country that's a paradise for nature lovers. Imagine steep cliffs plunging into deep blue waters, creating a dramatic landscape that takes your breath away. These are the majestic fjords of Norway, a testament to the relentless power of nature and time. But the spectacle doesn't end there. As night falls, the sky turns into a canvas for the mesmerizing northern lights, painting the heavens with vibrant hues of green, purple, and pink. It's a sight that leaves you spellbound, a cosmic dance that makes you feel part of something greater. And then there are the picturesque Lofoten Islands, where quaint fishing villages nestle amidst rugged mountains and crystal-clear waters. Here, the air is crisp, the landscape's pristine, untouched by the hands of time. It's a place that whispers tales of Vikings and ancient seafarers. Norway truly is the jewel of the north. Now, let's traverse to Ireland, also known as the Emerald Isle. Can you imagine standing on the edge of a cliff, looking out over the endless ocean, feeling the wild Atlantic wind in your hair? That's the cliffs of Moher, where the earth meets the sea in a breathtaking display of nature's majesty. The cliffs are not just a geographical marvel, they are steeped in rich folklore, with tales of mermaids and lost cities whispered on the wind. This is a land known for its lush green landscapes that stretch as far as the eye can see, giving Ireland its nickname, the Emerald Isle. The tranquil lakes of Killarney, nestled among these verdant hills and ancient woodlands, offer a serenity that's hard to match. And then there's the folklore. In Ireland, every stone, every tree, every ripple on the water has a story to tell. Tales of fairies, leprechauns, and mythical heroes are woven into the very fabric of the landscape. Ireland, a land where every view is a postcard. Our journey continues in Greece, a land steeped in mythology. Its stories echo in the azure waters of the Aegean Sea, where Poseidon, the god of the sea, once reigned supreme. The whitewashed houses of Santorini, sparkling under the Mediterranean sun, are reminiscent of the purity and serenity of the Greek gods. Towering above all, Mount Olympus, home to Zeus and his divine pantheon, stands as a testament to the country's rich mythological heritage. These landscapes, etched with tales of gods and heroes, are not just beautiful vistas, but a cultural tapestry woven through time. The essence of Greece lies not just in its natural beauty, but in the narratives these landscapes tell. Greece, where nature and mythology intertwine. Finally, we arrive in Switzerland, the alpine wonderland. Nestled in the heart of Europe, this country is a canvas painted with the most astounding natural beauty. Imagine snow-capped peaks of the Alps, touching the heavens, their grandeur mirrored in the tranquil waters of Lake Geneva. Picture lush green meadows stretching across the Swiss countryside, dotted with charming chalets. Here, every season is a celebration of the outdoors. From skiing down the alpine slopes in winter to summer hikes in the verdant valleys, Switzerland is an adventurous paradise. And for those seeking serenity, the tranquil lakeside towns offer the perfect respite. Switzerland, a country that's synonymous with breathtaking landscapes. In just 5 countries, we've seen the incredible diversity of Europe's landscapes. Italy's intoxicating blend of art and history, Norway's breathtaking fjords and northern lights, Ireland's emerald beauty, Greece's mythical allure, and Switzerland's alpine wonderland. Each country, a unique canvas painted with its own distinctive strokes of nature and culture, a spectacular medley of sights and experiences that leaves one yearning for more. So when are you planning your European adventure?
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel adventures. Hit the bell for updates, and I'll see you on the next trip.